What are our eco-friendly power washing practices and the use of biodegradable cleaning agents? Grease Eaters is wholeheartedly committed to prioritizing eco-friendly practices that demonstrate our deep concern for the environment. Central to our approach is the utilization of biodegradable cleaning agents, carefully chosen for their capacity to safeguard both surfaces and the delicate surrounding ecosystem. This conscious choice significantly mitigates the emission of harmful chemicals, bolstering the preservation of our precious environment. Our dedication to sustainability goes hand in hand with our commitment to superior cleaning outcomes. By embracing these innovative and responsible techniques, we achieve the dual purpose of effectively cleaning surfaces while upholding our promise to environmental stewardship. These sustainable methods not only ensure the safety of the treated areas, but also contribute positively to the overall health of our planet. At Grease Eaters, we stand as a testament to the power of aligning cleaning prowess with environmental responsibility. Our mission is to leave spaces immaculate while treading lightly on the earth. Do you want to experience the magic of power washing? Give us a ring today to discuss your power washing needs. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.